I don't know why I did that. No, but last video. Alright, I'm sorry about that. It was a storage issue. Deleted a whole bunch. And now I only have 7 minutes on the incense. Wow. Oh yeah, raid though. 603. Oop. Oh. Like I was like watching the video and it was already like too late, so I couldn't like go redo the video. Plus now I think another egg is gonna hatch. Because also about eggs, I gotta put one into the incubator with the super one. What? Yo. Chat, is this real? Oh my god, please. I'm so bro, one of these spawned before. I wanted to get it. I was going back to yours. Let's go. Add another one to the decks. Now we just need that big boy. And also, oh my god, no. Wait, let's see if we walk back, that crab could spawn again. Not having, but first let's try and check all these. Told you, Jim. Oh, this little. I also don't have this. Oh, that barely ever happens to me. That again, another appearance I'll probably never see again. I think I just heard a squirrel. Ooh, big lit. That guy in the car is laughing so hard right now. I should have bent my foot and like instantly going crazy. Hope we could get a shiny foot. Oh, that would be cool. Andrew. The green shiny. Ooh, that was fast. The green shiny. We're so close. I don't have this either. Wow, 3 Pokemon I don't have today. We caught. Today's, oh my god, please. Let's not make it 2. Alright, another incense, please, bro. Please. I'm so close to finishing this challenge. Look. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, 83 out of 100. I need 17 more broken on. Oh my god. Oh,